All right, this is the 3/4 by 30-inch stroke Eldorado model model M75-1046, serial number 1120. All right, okay. Rod, take me around.
Sure. I don't have the air package on. Well, we can do feed first before I even put the air in.
You want to walk me around it first?
Oh, you want to do walk around too? Okay, so electric panel straight away. Pretty standard Eldorado.
Voltage?
The Aerotech drive, we're at low voltage presently, 230 volts, so. Front panel. So control transformers down low. Air package up here for spindle and for your clamping on the end. Flow minder. Servo. I don't know what we're running. I know they're in the middle position on the two belts. Okay. It's a 3 horsepower motor, and I don't know what the RPM is currently set for, but it's moving along pretty good. And they've got an extension on here with the big old, I don't know, 5/8 inch or so tool. I just left the tool bit on there.
Right, that could come away.
Well, yeah, the whole tool / extension. There's where the spindle ends, right over here. So I just left it all on there. It sings a little bit, but I thought it looked kind of realistic. So. Chip box, chip chute, and then to your right as you circle around, of course, I got the covers open on the high pressure coolant system, so I'll just take a shot at that, then come back to the clamping system on your way across. One arrow, this all goes with the machine, this high pressure line that connects over. We just kind of left that in there. Hartman pump. And like I said, gauges, everything's intact for this one. Got some extra long lines here for the clamping mechanism. I don't know where they had this mounted at, but I left it alone for all wants and purposes. Okay. Right now. It's no big deal. So I'll put the air on effect while you're standing there, and we can do that right away. I've got that all plugged in, and I got like 30, 40 pounds, enough to get this to work. That's all that is. It's just a stopper. But I'm gonna leave the air on anyhow because I got the oiler set for the spindle, so that's got to be on, so that's that. I'll do a manual run as long as you're standing. I'm just going to do a manual run with the spindle. Sounds good, eh?
That's flying.
Yeah, it's moving pretty good. Looks like it's all 4,000 or 5,000 maybe, I don't know. That's a 3 horsepower motor, that's their strong one. I said tool's rattling a little bit,
but that's because of the
it's in a steel bushing over here.
The bushing, yeah.
That's what you're hearing. Listen. You don't even hear it how it is. That's the spindle. As long as it's still there, I'll just go into a feed motion now. We got rapid feed coming up here. That all works pretty good. And there's home, and if I go into the feed dial now, here's feed. I'm set at 80 per. We can move up to 180, 280, 380, 480. 480 is pretty high. I usually go a little bit slower here. 180. We're pulling the hoses up over here too, because I got this roller here, so you might hear some of that. And going down to a more normal speed, about 80, right here. Even that's pretty fast for a gun drill. But that's what I'm going to run my auto cycle at that. So. At 80 per. So that's that. Now we flip over, and let me move the dog up, otherwise it'll take us 15 minutes to get there. I'll just do a little 2-inch run here in auto mode, and that'll be with the spindle on, and feed times out for 3 seconds, and it comes on after the spindle motor, and just stay right where you're at in case we get in trouble with this tool bit here. We want to be downstream of it.
All right.
Good to go? And here we go. Here we go. course, the feed will go a lot slower, but you'd never see it in the video, so there's no sense in me going any lower than that. But really, these machines run a lot slower than that.
All right.
So that's about it. Like I said, low voltage. It's clean. We got the book up here. I think it's got schematics in there, operator's manual. That's everything.